Hey, what do you know? Another home that I love. Okay, this one is located in La Reserva in West Ajijic, and La Reserva is one of the most highly desired gated communities in this area. This house is newly built and it is excellent. I love it. It's spacious, it's airy, it's bright, it's large. You have bedrooms on the first floor so that you could use those, but then there's also another large bedroom on the second floor. So that's kind of nice because a lot of people only want one level, but they won't mind a second level as long as there's at least a master bedroom on the first floor. I don't think that these are master bedrooms on the first floor, but they're spacious and nice bedrooms. You can do whatever you want with it. The master is definitely on the second floor. So what is in my eye? Anyway, before we get started today, I just want to tell you about our bed and breakfast and our cafe in Ajijic Centro, Estrellitas and Gato Feo Cafe, both located right next door to the Lake Chapala Society, which is, if you're not familiar with it, it's kind of like a gathering hub and place for information. There's a little restaurant in there, Casa Linda, and there's a library, a lot of good information in there. You can sign up for Spanish classes, things like that. They have a bulletin board that you can post things on there. And the bed and breakfast, all of our rooms have AC, streaming TVs, refrigerators, microwaves, reverse osmosis drinking water, ensuite bathrooms, new mattresses, safes. We have laundry service. What else? Daily housekeeping, a really good hot breakfast every morning. We get fresh baked bread from around the corner, the bakery around the corner every single morning. And yeah, the cafe actually has really delicious pastries from the French bakery in San Antonio that we get fresh every other day. And they're delicious. They're the best in town. Aside from Vicky's Donuts. Vicky's Donuts, best I've ever had in my life, okay? Anyway, so let's go check out this property.
No te preocupes, aunque la vida va a cambiar. A pesar de todos los cambios, yo seguiré siempre igual. Y pase lo que pase, tú sabes bien que nuestro amor lo voy a cuidar. Cuéntame si te enojas, mami, o si te sientes mal.
This home is listed for $599,000 US. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom on 2 levels. Construction size is 348 square meters or 3,746 square feet. The lot size is 489 square meters or 5,266 square feet. The HOA comes out to 5,600 pesos per quarter, so that is about $300, a little bit less, maybe like $280. It does not come furnished, and it is located in La Reserva in West Ajijic.
Pero mamita. Todo va a estar bien, mamá. Nuestra vida es bendita. Para el futuro y nunca para atrás. Ay, aguántate, mi nena. Este cambio es pa' mejor. Siempre seré el mismo. Ay, te lo juro, mi amor. Ay, yo, no te preocupes más. Nunca mira para atrás. Ay, mira, 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 mira. Para el futuro todo va a estar bien, mamá. Nunca te dejaré. Y tú sabes muy bien por qué. Que te amo, te adoro, te compro un loro. Y contigo siempre estaré. Eso es la verdad, muchachita. Anda, súbelo, súbelo, súbelo. Aguántate. Eso es la verdad, muchachita. Ay, ay, mamita, tú la sabes.
Okay, we are checking out this area right here. As I said before, this is a newly built home. So on the Google Maps, it doesn't even show the house that's being built. But it is located right here. And I'm going to show you. We are in La Reserva. So this area here is called La Reserva East. This is called La Reserva West. And they have just finished all these homes in La Reserva. You can see there are a few empty lots in here still, which may have been built since this photo was taken. And then they're still developing this whole area. This whole area here is actually a lot more cleared out than this. So yeah, this is needs to be updated a little. But yeah, La Reserva is getting built up and it's very, very popular. So there's also a community pool right here, a small gym in the community center here. And this is all very nice. The grass is super lush and green, and it's actually looking better than the first time I ever went into La Reserva when they had this built, which was probably about a year ago. So then I went in here the other day, and all of this is looking even better than it did then. So yeah, it's pretty nice. You come in this direction to go into west, and then you can bump around to go into east. And the nicest thing about it, you got a Ponchos right out here, so you can walk straight to it. And then you got a couple of restaurants right over here actually too. Just to give you guys an idea, we are in West Ajijic. Over here you're getting into Ajijic Centro, but over here we're west and keep going this direction and you are in San Juan Cosala. So the cool thing about West Ajijic, it doesn't go too far back into the mountain and not too far over to the lake. I mean, it's a very narrow strip of land through here that's being built on. So the traffic through here is not bad at all. And a lot of this are gated communities. So a lot of this area, this is all gated communities. These are all lakefront homes through here. So there's a lot of new infrastructure and not too much traffic. So walking to Ponchos from this house is a 3-minute walk, although I think this is showing that you can go out here, but I don't think that you can. I think you would have to, I mean, that would make no sense if you could do that there was an entrance over here to La Reserva. So you'd actually have to come out of the gate, which I believe is right here. No, I'm sorry. The gate is right here. So you'd come out this direction. You could walk down this way. I'm going to say it's probably about a 5 to 6 minute walk. Driving to Ajijic Centro would take you 7 minutes. If you wanted to drive into Monte Cosala Spa in the Racket Club, the geothermal water spa, it would take you 11 minutes. To get from this house to Guadalajara International Airport would be a 44-minute drive. And if you want to go spend some time at the Chapala Malecon, which is actually very nice and there's quite a bit to do, you can take a boat from there out to the island. Oh, whoa, I went way too far, like this is some kind of ocean or something. But anyway, here's the island. Nice little island. Nothing crazy special out there, but it would be cool to take a boat out there just to see what's going on. Anyway, that's a 22-minute drive. All right, everybody, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Or as I said before, you can go to the contact form on my website and start a conversation with me on there. I just want to say thank you all for your feedback in this new video thing I have going on. So instead of doing 3 properties per video. I'm just doing 1 now, and it's actually working out great because I spend 1 day editing and putting everything together, and it gets put out for the following week, and it's so much easier, and I feel like I'm giving you guys so much more information. Because before I was getting stressed, I was like, I need 3 properties and I need to sit and edit all 3, and then I'm only getting 1 video out a week and da-da-da. So this is working out so much better. It's so much easier and streamlined. So thank you guys for your feedback in the comments about all of that. You rock. And I will see you guys for the next video. If you want to see more homes in this price range, click right here. If you want to subscribe, you can click right here.